What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is actually an intro video to the bike vlog. Yes, sir. I picked up this beast of a project yesterday from a guy here in Kansas. It's a 2006 600 RR. So if you follow my Instagram, I just started I didn't start a page, but I'm kind of like doing a little fix up journey. First things first, it needs fairings. This is kind of like my first time seeing it during the day. I'm gonna need a new front tire. The front brakes are good. I test rode it when I went and purchased it. I might just go ahead and probably get a new back tire as well. I'm trying to think what else. The other side has like that first fairing, that part right there. We're just missing this one. The guy apparently laid it down, but I'm getting a whole new set of fairings, a new tank cover, probably change the headlights to HIDs or LEDs, whatever. Something's off with the steering. I rode it yesterday and the steering was kind of weird. I think maybe the fork is bent or something, but I'm gonna replace all that anyway. Or it could be like the front rim is bent. I guess he dropped it pretty hard. Yeah, it's a pretty cool bike. It's got like 23,000 miles? Yeah, 23.5. Lights work, tail light, signals work. Aside from this one, because this is the site dropped it on, but replacing all of that with the fairings. Yeah, so this is her. It's a project. It's got a Yoshi up there, Yoshi mirror pipe on it. I like the under the tail pipe. I like that. Clean title. Just left cycle gear. Got these brakes. Golfer. I don't know if they're a good brand, but they're gonna have to work. I mean, I'm not about to dump a lot of money into this bike anyway. Oh yeah, I forgot another little thing. So this thing right here is like missing a bolt. So it has a kickstand bolt to hold the kickstand right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then it's supposed to be another bolt. When I test rode it, the guy had one zip tie on it, and I was shifting through all the gears and I broke the zip tie off. So it's kind of like loose, but right now it's kind of tight because I got zip ties on it. I have a part coming in tomorrow, that specific bolt. I probably could put like any kind of bolt there, but I'm not. I'm gonna get what's supposed to go on the bike. But yeah, I'm probably about to try to change these brakes. Yeah, get that brake up out of there. And see, I don't know if you guys can see, it's no brakes, like no back brakes whatsoever. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get this done. You probably should get a stand, a bike stand, but I don't know. I'll see if I can get it done without it. All right, guys. That's it. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's going to be a crazy journey. I think maybe like next month, this thing should be like fully ready to go. Like I said, I can ride it now, but it's just like, it's not how I want it to be. Everybody has like their personal preference on their bike or whatever. But yeah, this is her. This is going to be a crazy journey. Keep that Germex on you too, because Corona is crazy out here. But y'all stay tuned, and I'll hit y'all when I start these brakes. No brakes whatsoever on that joint. That's crazy. Take your love. Take your love. What's up, guys? All right, so I could not get those brake pads on, and it's because the guy gave me the wrong brake pads. Okay, so Here's an old one, and the new one, it's like way too thick. It's rubbing up against my like wheel, and it's not even fitting properly. So we're going back to cycle gear right now, so we can swap them out, and then hopefully we can have them on by nightfall. Y'all stay tuned. What's up, y'all? Back again. So I'm leaving cycle gear right now, and the guy pulled up, like we both sat there and pulled up like the brand that's needed or whatever, and the ones that he gave me do work. Maybe I was just doing it wrong. I mean, it is my first time doing brake pads too, so I could have did it wrong. But we headed back to the crib now, and so we'll try it again. If it don't work, then I'll just go buy another pair or something. Gotta keep that Germax, boy. That shit's serious. That Germax is serious. What is that? Okay, take your jacket off. We'll get in the car seat. Got the new brakes in, the piston's back where it needs to be. They working, we're good. All right guys, so we got the brakes done on the CBR, and we're about to go just see how they work. My first time riding with Jared. See how he rides. And we just take it for a spin. I don't like how it's sounding right now. It sounds like real low idle. She alright, huh? Y'all stay tuned. have escaped. Did all right.